Almost 50 years ago in 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first men to set foot on the moon. In 1972, Gene Cernan was the last man to step off it. We haven't been back since. But that's about to change. We're going back. Israel and China recently landed robotic probes on the moon. India wants to send its own mission there as well. The Trump administration has the goal of returning humans to the moon by 2024. Elon Musk's SpaceX private space company will be sending 6 to 8 tourists around the moon in 2023. Jeff Bezos, of Amazon fame, is building a new lunar lander. And water has been found on the moon that can be used to sustain a manned colony. With all these developments, get prepared for a global explosion of interest in the moon. Learn about the moon. Predict moon phases and eclipses, past, present or future. Explore the moon's near and far sides using 2D and 3D moon maps. Discover over 9,200 lunar features, including the Lunar 100, the best features to view in a telescope. Simulate the view of the moon as seen through your own telescopes and eyepieces. Record your own observation notes. See the moon as you've never seen it before. Animate the moon showing libration effects and a traveling Terminator. Watch hundreds of moon and astronomy-related videos. Get the latest news about the moon and happenings in astronomy. Find out when those supermoons happen. Learn all this and more about Earth's nearest neighbor, the moon, with LunarPhase Pro. This software tool is used by amateur astronomers, teachers, military people, photographers, gardeners, fishermen, hunters, hikers, researchers, psychologists, astrologers, stockbrokers, Wiccan, New Age, religious groups and more. Not just an interactive moon atlas, LunarPhase Pro is a moon observer's software toolkit designed to help you learn about the moon and make your lunar observing sessions more productive. Find out more at the link below.